Hi, my name's Maggie, and today I'm here with CalFresh Healthy Living Program, and we're going to be demonstrating some healthy snacks today. So I'm going to be making some fresh fruit and vegetable cups, and we're going to be demonstrating how to cut this cucumber. The first step is to wash our cucumber and cut it in half. I find it easier to just cut them in half and then cut them in fourths. It makes it easier to cut the skin off. The next thing that we're preparing is the papaya, and papayas are a really great source of vitamin C, just like the rest of the ingredients in these cups. And they're really good for your immune system. Here's a bowl for the seeds. So all that you have to do is essentially take out the seeds. So you want to cut the papaya in about a half, and I'm just going to be using about this size. And I'm just cutting them into slices. And then what you're going to want to do with all the slices is just cut out this middle part and then cut off the skin. I'm just cutting these to make sure that they fit into the cups nicely. So right now we're going to assemble the rest of the cups with the rest of the ingredients that we have. So we have our cucumber that we just chopped up, jicama, watermelon, some lemon juice to go on top. We have some mangoes, some pineapple, papaya, and then some more watermelon. So I'm just going to assemble one of the cups here. And we've prepared these to be about the same size as the rest of them so that they can all fit nicely in the cups. And you can pick any fruit or vegetable or anything you'd like for these. I'm just getting some variety of everything that we have. And I really love watermelon, so I'm going to put extra. So we've assembled our cups, and now we're going to be putting some lemon juice on the top. Or if you'd like, you can do lime or both. So I'm just putting the lemon into the juicer, like so. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this chili powder on the top. And if you don't like spicy, you don't have to put it on the top, but this is a really great way to enhance the flavor. So I'm just cutting the limes for the next cup. I want to add some variety to my fruit cups. And as you can see, these are super, super colorful, and something I always love to say is to eat the rainbow, just to make sure you're getting all of your super yummy vitamins and antioxidants and nutrients in, and this is a great way to do so.